Well, welcome Facebook world to Schoolhouse 2.0. Today we had an extremely successful pistol carbine match, and we're here to announce the winners. So looking forward to that. Maybe I'll just ask Brett to give us a little bit of a snapshot of actually what that competition involved, so we're sort of all kind of tracking on what that is. So Brett?
All right, thank you. Today was a 2 stages, 2-gun match. So the first stage was Carbine, where competitors engaged cardboard targets from distances ranging from 10 to 25 meters with 3-second exposures. After that, they went over to the pistol stage and engaged steel at various distances. We used falling plates, so once they hit the steel would fall over. Very fun to shoot, and I think everyone had a great time today.
Well, let's confirm that. Did everyone have a great time today?
Yeah!
Just before we do announce the winners, I do want to make a few special mentions. I think Brett and Ace in the back, can you put up your hand? Okay, great. Guys who organized the event, thank you so much for that. And there's a whole bunch of people who work behind the scenes that I won't mention right now, but Ace and Brett, thank you very much for putting on this event and making it possible. So let's get on to the winners, okay? So let's start with 3rd place. Who do we got? And this was a combined score, right?
Correct.
Okay. So here, let me, perfect. So 3rd place, and what do we have for a 3rd place winner? We have a seasonal firearms pass. So and that's valued at $185, and if for whatever reason you already have a membership or you have a seasonal pass, this is something that you can carry forward with you, right? So in 3rd place, Michael Maurer. Congratulations. Awesome. Great. That's Mike.
Lifted in an error. It's a counting error.
Thanks for the $20.
2nd place.
You're like a short Clint Eastwood.
Okay, 2nd place, what do we have for the winner? We have a standard firearms pass. That's valued at $500. Okay? And the winner, for 2nd place, is Derek Hitchens. Derek? Unfortunately, Derek had to leave early, so we'll pass that on. Congratulations, Derek. Okay. And 1st place. So 1st place, we have a premium firearms pass valued at $850. Wow. So the winner is Alexandre Berdat. Congratulations. Want to say a few words?
Well, thank you guys for having me today, like this competition. I came from Montreal, and it was outside of my comfort zone, but I really had a good time. This place is very awesome. I like it really a lot. Sorry, I'm French Canadian, so got a big accent. I mean, this is really awesome, but like, if you guys don't mind, I would like to just make it a draw or something, a prize for the people. I mean, I would love to come here like every time, but I'm like 2 hours drive away, so if someone can benefit from it, I will gladly.
Yes.
That's very nice.
That is very Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. So that's great. So those are the winners. Congratulations to Michael, to Derek, and to Alexandre. What a great performance. Thank you, Alexandre. That's so generous of you. So what we're going to do is we're going to add that prize into our draw that's going to follow right now. Okay, so we'll start with that particular prize. Oh, sorry. Before we miss it, we also have the top female shooter of the match. Okay? Okay? Sorry about that. And Brett, who was that?
It's Lisa.
Congratulations. And so what we have here, and thank you for sponsors from the Canadian Coalition the coalition, sorry,
Coalition for Firearms. Right.
Canadian Coalition of Firearms Rights. My apologies for that. So very generous, a shirt and a ball cap. So Lisa, congratulations for your performance, and thank you CCFR. Okay, so now we're going to do the draw, and maybe Alexandra, if I could invite you to come back up here, and we'll do the draw for the premium firearms pass. Okay.
Lisa Charbonneau.
Congratulations. So we're going to get you a replacement name for that, and you have Alexandra to thank for that.
Thank you.
Okay. Great. Okay. Thanks, Alexandra. Okay, and I'm going to get Brett to pick out the next prize. The next prize is going to be a 1-hour diagnostic shoot that's valued at $100.
And the winner is Michael Maurer.
Oh,
Now, Michael, I'm not sure that you need any practice or
you
diagnostics.
could draw that again,
Yeah.
maybe. Draw it again.
You want to draw it again?
Draw it
Okay.
again. Draw it again.
Mike,
All right.
you the honors?
Oh, sure. Almost as bad. Alexandre Bourbon.
We see that high.
We're making the call. You don't need a diagnostic here. All right. Tom McRae.
I've been here before for that.
You want to put it back in the hat?
throw it
Okay.
This is cold.
Nathan Cameron. Congratulations, Nathan. That's great. Okay.
Want to draw the next one? Jason?
Nathan?
So the next draw is 1 hour of coaching that's valued at $75.
Ken Reed.
Put it back.
Generosity here today. My God.
Brett Stark.
Brett. Okay, the next one is biometric assessment video. So the value of this right now is $30. This is an initial pricing. Brett?
Thomas Cock.
Thomas Cock.
Oh, yeah, he had to take off.
Okay, so he'll get this, right? And we'll get that to him. Thomas, congratulations. And because it is really cold outside, we got 3 schoolhouse toques for you that we'll end off our draw. So the first one goes to Mark Savoy.
Hey, Mark.
Hey. Congratulations. There you go. The next one, Mark.
Scott Fraser.
Scott Fraser. He left? Okay. So we'll put that aside for him. And the last one, Daniel Foley. So that ends our Facebook Live session, the announcement of the winners, the draw. Thank you everyone for coming out. Thank you to the organizers. Thank you to the volunteers. Really appreciate it. And our next competition will be announced in the coming weeks. All right? All the best for now.